but turning brown to green, and gray to blue. That's what I love about rain. That's what I love about you. I love the sun. I love the way it shines on everyone, the way it makes the morning come in colors true. That's what I love about the sun. That's what I love about you. I don't know why mountains crumble, or what could hold the stars apart, and I may never know, but still I wonder why you let me in your heart. I love the rain. I love the way it washes something clean and pushes rivers to the sea to fall anew. That's what I love about the rain. That's what I love about